For some women in Indiana, finding an OB-GYN of color has been a challenge. That's because there aren't many of them. Karen Campbell introduces us to one doctor who shares why diversity is key.
And this was very much what God created me for.
Meet Dr. Corinne Love, an OB-GYN for Ascension St. Vincent in Brownsburg.
My mom, when I was little, told me about where babies came from. And so I felt like it was my job to talk about where babies came from at daycare.
4 years ago, she was the only black OB-GYN for the hospital system in Hendricks County. Today, she is one of 4.
We're all women. We're all women of colors. We're all mothers. And so, that is something that is really important to me.
Love says having doctors who represent patients of diverse backgrounds is key.
Being a woman of color, again, who has gone through that, who has to discuss, hey, we need to do this testing earlier, or these are the signs to look out for because you're at high risk for this reason. All of those things are things that I not only tell people about, but I've lived.
So Karen, we've actually heard about Hoosiers having a lack of access to health care. That's an issue as well.
Yeah, that's right. And that's why Dr. Love says that that's so crucial. It's so important for especially Hoosier women to have that access. And, Dr. Love, she also talks about maternity deserts. Those exist in Indiana. So I'm going to explain more about what she means and the impacts that has on a woman's health. That's coming up at 6 o'clock.